Welcome on the Spit iExpert calculation software. This video will explain how to calculate on the base plate with any amount of anchors at any position. After setting your standards, like country and language, you can start your application by following the different steps from Chapter 1 to 6. In the chapter Application, there are 4 different design applications. Select the General Calculation. The different base plates are possible to select: square, rectangular, round, triangle, or the possibility to create your own with the option Bespoke Base Plate. Each type of base plate has a preset number of anchors, or use the N+ option if your design is different. For this exercise, we select an N+ rectangular base plate with a 4x3 anchors and leave the type of profile and the angle in the default setting. Now go to Chapter 2, Dimensions. In this chapter, all dimensions can be adjusted on the drawing or in the tables matching the design. Anchors can be added, deleted, or changed from position by clicking on Specify Coordinates, and every design can be made easily. When the design is done, the type of base material and the loads can be set before making the calculation in Chapter 6. The calculation results can be reduced by using the different filters. When selecting the most favorite anchor, the PDF button will generate the design report with all the necessary information from the designer and for the installer. By clicking the ETA, PDF, CAD or BIM button, the right documents will be opened or downloaded in order to be used for the project design. This is a brief view of what is possible with free anchor design baseplate calculation. More videos can be seen on our website.